तुका म्हणे माझी हेची, पर्टिक्युलरली हेची, व्हॉट आय लाईक, व्हॉट आय लाईक, ओनली पांडुरंगा. बस इन दॅट रूप ओनली. आय नो Ram is Krishna, Krishna is Vitthal. Still, I want to see him Katavarkar. Katavarkar. That is the form in which Pundalika ordered him. You stand there, come on. In one Abhanga, Namdev Maharaj says, Panduranga, you are quite good, I understand. But one thing is very nice Abhanga, he says. वैकुंठी पाहो तव चतुर्भुजती दिसे परी सुंदर रूप तेथे नाही. When we say at Vaikuntha, there is Chaturbhuj roop. To say that Chaturbhuj is look, it's all right. But a person with 4 hands, difficult to gulp. It is not Baba Maharaj saying, it is Namdev Maharaj saying, so don't take any objection. Namdev Maharaj says, Vaikunthi paho tava chaturbhuja dise, pari sundar roop tethe nahi. Sundar roop tethe nahi. Kshirasagari paho tava nidristati dise. So we went to see him in Kshirasagara. He was all sleeping, and a man who is sleeping in bed, it doesn't look nice. If somebody enters the bedroom, so people always want, don't let them enter the bedroom. Kshirasagari paho, you go to meet him and he is sleeping. You have to come back. To talk with him, he should wake up. He is sleeping. Namdev Maharaj said, Kshirasagari paho tava nidrishyati se pari sundar roop tethe nahi. Dwarake paho tava patali charan pari sundar roop tethe nahi. Look at the height of the Tattva Jnana and Prema Bodh of Namdev Maharaj. Rudhai paho tava avyakta ki dise pari sundar roop tethe nahi. Though we know he is in the heart. He said, all right, he is in the heart. Where is the sundar roop? If you want to see the Sagun Roop in the heart, it is like this. Did not follow me? This is the shape of the heart. In books we see how is the shape of the heart? Like that. Maharaj saying, how do we see? Rudhai paho tava avyakta chidise pari sundara roop tethe nahi. Rudhai paho avyakta. Avyakta. We don't want avyakti, we want vyakta. Well, you have invited me here. Yesterday one kirtana I did. And today I told Tukaram Maharaj that today I will be sitting avyakta on that chair. Tukaram Maharaj is a dedicated disciple of Baba Maharaj. Very dedicated. He said, okay, Maharaj, what you say is correct. And other people will say, where is your guru? They will guru on you. Where is your guru? Maharaj will say, avyakta. No, vyakta. Send a car and get him here. Everything we talk of avyakta, but we need vyakta. We need vyakta. Rudhai paho tav avyakta chidise pari sundar roop tethe nahi. And to see the sundar roop, you have to go to Pandharpur. He is in your heart, that everybody knows. But if you want to see the sundar roop, where should you go? To Pandharpur. Maharaj says, Panduranga, so sweet, so sweet. Rupe Shama Sundara Nilotpalagabha Sakhaye Swapni Shobha Dekhela. Netra Vishal Bhal Danta Hirya Jyoti Baiye Madan Murti Dekhela. So sweet. Rajas Kumar Madanacha Putra Ravi Shashikala Lopaniye Kasturi Madavat नाची उटी रुळे माळ कंठी वैजयंती राजस सुकुमार मदनाचा पुतळा रवी शशी कळा लोपलिये कस्तुरी मळवट चंदनाची उटी. इन द लास्ट लाईन तुकाराम महाराज सेज, तुका म्हणे तुम्ही वाघे की सवा, सकळही तुम्ही वाघे की सवा, तुका म्हणे जीवाधीर नाही. कम ऑन, मूव मूव मूव. You all go to Pandharpur and we are in the line to take the darshan. Many people come in front. Oh, jara bajula sarana. Move aside, come on, move aside. Why? Arey, you also come for darshan, we all, but I am not able to see him. सकळही तुम्ही वागे की सवा, तुका म्हणे जीवाधीर राही. I wanted to see that सावळे सगुण रूप मनोहर, हृदय निरंतर आवडते, बळिया शिरोमणी उदारांचा राणा, आवडला मना जीवा. ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज यांनी तत्वज्ञान सेज, विभात यस्य वासा सर्वमिदं हायसा, आणि श्रुती काय वायसा ढेकुरू देती. That is his philosophy. But one person asked him, Mauli, what do you like? You want to hear? सावळे परब्रह्म आवडे या जीवा, सावळे परब्रह्म आवडे या जीवा, सावळे परब्रह्म आवडे या जीवा, सावळे परब्रह्म आवडे या black, not white, combination of both. That's why Bharat all Savla. Pandurang is Savla and we are all Savla. Not as black as Africans and not as fair as the Europeans. In between the two, that is Savla. Savale Parabrahma Avade what I like. There is a great problem between when I stay. People come to me, Maharaj, what will you like to eat? Your idli sambar, utappa, moog dal utappa, payasam. People are asking me, what is payasam? Nothing else, kheer. Payasam, man, is kheer. What will you like? Daily, the problem, night and evening. Then I say, come on, you prepare nicely, I like everything. Correct. Kai avadta? So Tukaram, Jnaneshwar Maharaj was asked, what do you like? He said, I don't know, don't ask me. I like only Savale Parabrahma. Finished. Saguna rupasi miyo bhadaliyo. Saguna priti. He has love for the Vitthala. He did not know Jnana Devatu Kailav Nakhoni Keshvari Ubhyase Zage Shariri. From nail to the top here, everything is Parabrahma. He knew that Paramatma is in your heart. Taisa Rudhyam Madhyami Ramu Asata Sarva Sukhata Ramu. Still he says, Maje Jivichi Avadi Maje Jivichi Avadi
पांडुरंगी मन रंगले, पांडुरंगी मन रंगले.
गोविंदाचे गुणी वेधले, गोविंदाचे गुणी वेधले, पांडुरंगी मन रंगले, पांडुरंगी मन रंगले.
गोविंदाचे गुणी वेधले, गोविंदाचे गुणी वेधले, पांडुरंगी मन रंगले, पांडुरंगी मन रंगले.
That's why then we say रूप पाहता लोचनी सुख झाले ओ. हरी जय जय, हरी जय जय.
हरि जय जय, हरि जय जय. हरि जय
When I am singing soft, you play also soft. Hari Jai Jai. Ah, soft. Ah, ah. Hari Jai Jai. Hari Jai Jai. Ah, ah. Hari Jai Jai. Ah. Hari Jai Jai. Hari Jai Jai. Hari Jai Jai.
जय गोपाल कुमार जय गोपाल कुमार जय गोपाल कुमार 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 गोपाल कुमार गोपाल कुमार
Very fine. When the day passes, the kirtan it goes in full bloom. The Vyasapit should also be pavitra. The stage should also be pavitra. And with one and two kirtan it becomes pavitra, and the program goes on. Full swing. लटके ते ज्ञान लटके ते ध्यान लटके ते ज्ञान लटके ते ध्यान
लटके ते ध्यान लटके ते ध्यान लटके ते ज्ञान लटके ते ध्यान
everything is a waste. लटके ते ज्ञान नाही. लटिके ते ध्यान, लटिके ते ध्यान, लटिके ते ध्यान, लटिके ते ध्यान.
लटिके से ध्यान, लटिके से ध्यान, लटिके से ध्यान, लटिके से ध्यान.
A pandal is full of people. But if the child is not able to recognize his mother, finished. He knows Kaki, he knows Mami, he knows aunt, he knows everybody, but he cannot recognize the mother. Everything is waste. What about your Jnana? Latike te jnana. You close your eyes. People are thinking you are in dhyan. Are you really in dhyan? Whose dhyan is this? When you close your eyes and you see God, and what is this? Je je dekhe bhoot dete maniye bhagwant. Ha bhakti yoga nischinda janvada. Jethe dekhe tethe tuji pauli. Wherever I see Panduranga, I see you only. People say, Ambaji gave trouble to Tukaram Maharaj. Rameshwar Bhatt gave to Kal Maharaj. He says, I don't know. I see God in them. So no problem. Latike te dhyan, latike te dhan. Sari. You maybe have read lots of books. What is the use of reading books? There is use to particular level. Particularly it is essential, but after that everything should go. Latike te dhyan, latike te dhan. Sari Hari Kirtan priya nahi. Sari Hari Kirtan priya nahi. If you don't like Hari Kirtan, and you say, what is this Kirtan? What is this bhajan? You know, we have heard for quite a lot of time. What will you get by doing bhajan? What will you get by doing Kirtan? Tukaram Maharaj says, don't talk that. Latike te dhyan, latike te dhan. Latike te dhyan. शेळी उसाची चवी गाडी नेनोणी पाचोळा करंडी. देवी नेनोणी हरिभक्तीची गोडी अज्ञान बापुडी विषय नको. शेळी उसाची चवी गाडी. The sheep goes in the sugarcane farm. She likes only the green leaves, but she doesn't know below there is sugarcane. She eats only the leaves where there is no sugar. शेळी उसाची चवी गाडी नेनोनी पाचोळा करंडी. देवी नेनोनी हरिभक्तीची गोडी. Those who don't know what is Hari Bhakti, they only collect information. For information we say Jnana. I had told you last time, Jnana comes from within, that is wisdom. And what you collect from outside, that information, nothing more than that. You don't know anything. I have written and you have collected. You go to London, get down at Heathrow Airport, then there is a Trafalgar Square, there is a statue of Nelson. I asked that person, had you been to London? He said, no. This is an information. I read the book and I am giving you. Do you follow? The other person said, don't ask him, you come with me. I am also going to London. I will show you whole London. So, don't ask anything on the information counter. Go to the Sant. who are Anubhavis, go to them. They will say, come on with me. Come with me. I will show you God standing Katavar Karma Vittal. Latike te jnaan, latike dhar, latike te jnaan, latike te dhar. Kari Hari Kirtan priya nahi. Kari Hari Kirtan priya nahi. Latike chidambha घातले दुकान, लटके चिदंबर घातले दुकान.
हरि हरि कीर्तन प्रिय नाही, हरि हरि कीर्तन प्रिय
हरि हरि कीर्तन प्रिय नाई,
लटके चिदंबर घातले दुकान, लटके चिदंबर घातले दुकान.
What is the greatness of Hari Kirtan? नराहे क्षणे कवे कुंटी, चिरसागरी त्रिपुटी, जाये तेथे दाटी वैष्णवांची धावणी. Where does Vitthal go? Where there is Kirtan, he comes there. Today he is in Chennai. Do you follow? If we are doing Hari Kirtan, then he should come here. So listen Kirtan with attention. Don't get up. Don't go outside. Whether you like it or not like it, sit up to Jnanadev Tukaram. That is Kirtan. Katha Triveni Sangam Deva Bhaktani Nam. Katha is a Triveni Sangam. God is there. Bhakta is there. And Nam is there. Katha Triveni Sangam. So Kirtan is Sarva Shrestha. People ask Panduranga, what do you like? Kirtanachi Deva Avada Moti. Kirtanachi Deva Avada Moti. Oh, Latike Chidamba Ghatale Dukan, Latike Chidamba. What is it? A shop. It is a shop of Paramartha. Tukaram Maharaj says we went to Pandharpur. Santa Sajjani Mandi Dukani, Santa Sajjani Mandi Dukani, Santa Sajjani Mandi Dukani,
Santa Sajjani Mandi Dukani.
Ye Daya Pai Jite Ahe Re,
हे दया पाहिजे आहे रे,
Ye Daya Pai Jite Ahe Re,
हे दया पाहिजे आहे रे,
Ye Daya Pai Jite Ahe Re,
हे दया पाहिजे आहे रे.
Mukti Mukti Pukat Sachi,
मुक्ती मुक्ती पुकात साडी,
Mukti Mukti Pukat Sachi,
मुक्ती मुक्ती पुकात साडी.
Koni Nappa Hai Daya Kade Re,
कोणी न पाहे दयाकडे रे,
Koni Nappa Hai Daya Kade Re.
कोणी न पाहे दयाकडे रे.
नाचत जाऊच्या जगावर केळिया खरे लवी सवारे, नाचत जाऊच्या जगावर केळी खरे लवी सवारे.
रतत जाऊदे जगावर खेळ्या तुझे इलाज सवारे, रतत जाऊदे जगावर खेळ्या तुझे इलाज सवारे.
लटके चिदंब घातले दुःख, लटके चिदंब घातले दुःख.
लटके चिदंबर घातले दुकान, लटके चिदंबर घातले दुकान.
The shop is open, it's full of dambha. Yoga, yaga, japa, tapa. यज्ञ आगे स्वर्ग भोग. I did 100 yajnas. Okay. Damba. What did he get? Apsara. And when the punya was finished, he came down. He was kicked from the back and thrown down. नवश स्वर्गाधिपती झाला परी राहटी भांबावला भुजंगत्व पावला ने पुण्याची पावटी सरे सवेची इंद्रपणाची उटी मग येऊ लागती मागारे मृत्यूलोका. वडील यज्ञ लटकेची दंभ. But Maharaj, people like yajna yag better than kirtan. Latikechi, this is nama japa yajna. In Vibhuti Yoga, he was asked which yajna is Shreshtha. Jnana yajna. There are many types of yajnas. But Bhagavan answered in one OV, Nama japado yajna do parama. बाधो न शके स्नानादि कर्म नामे पावन धर्मा धर्म नाम पर ब्रह्म वेदार्थ वेद आनंद बोलिलार्थ तुकाची साधिला विठोबाशी शरण दावे निज निष्ठे नाम लटिके चिदंब लटिके चिदंब आतले दुकान
लटिके चिदंब आतले दुकान
Sadgadita Kantadato, any Putor there, everything is waste. In regular life, husband is a very rich person, earns crores of rupees daily. But he doesn't have time to meet his children and wife, to keep their mouths shut. When the wife says, you are meeting me after 15 days, he said, take 1,000, take 1 lakh. She said, now collecting that, my cupboard is full. I don't know what to buy. I have hundreds of shoes, thousands of saris, and all types of necklaces and jewelry in gold, diamond, pearls, everything. But tell me, where should I wear and with whom I should go out? Because you are not there. Do you follow? Everything is there, but you are not there. So everything is there, but love is not there. One day he left everything and he came. The children were happy. Daddy, 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 daddy. Mom. Everybody was happy. He also got happiness. Happiness comes through love. Jnana divides you and love gets you together. That's why love is important. So Varkari Sampradaya is Prema Bodha. Prema Swarup is Panduranga. And Prema Bodh is Sadguru. What is the meaning? Prema Swarup is Panduranga and Prema Bodh is Sadguru. And when two come together, Varkari Sampradaya flourishes. Prema sukha dei, prema sukha dei. If there is no love, yes, see, in samsara also love is important, and in paramartha also love is important. Love is not moha. People say, don't fall in love. No, rise in love, don't fall in love. People say, has fallen in love, don't fall, rise in love. If it is pure love, you will rise up. You will rise up. That is more important. So Maharaj says, Sadgadir. You know to cry for the children, cry for husband, cry for wife. That's why you know, crying means unhappiness. And you will know the happiness in crying when you will cry for Panduranga. When you will cry in bhajan, netri jalvahe, romancha jivan, ananda shru netri, ashtanga hi gatri prema tudhe. That prema is important, that love is important. We are just catching our ego. And one day going up, with you the ego is also burned. Why after burn it when you are alive? Why burn the ego with you? Burn when you are alive and surrender to Panduranga.